Today is the 23rd of May 2022. I'm now standing in Plaza Mayor here in central Madrid. And that guy over there who's holding a red umbrella is my tour guide for today. I decided to go on a free walking tour because I only have one day in Madrid. And to be really honest with you, I know nothing about the history of all the buildings, therefore I need a tour guide. Last night I didn't sleep because my flight from Marrakesh was at 6:45. So I stayed up all night and I got a taxi driver. He came to pick me up at 3 a.m. And Madrid airport is very, very big. I had to do a lot of walking and also up and down the stairs in the Madrid underground. I've just finished my walking tour and I've given the guide a generous tip. I think he was very, very good, very hilarious, but it got a bit monotonous towards the end. I would like to talk about the pros and cons of walking tours. Should you do it? And why would you do it? I think that if you don't want to look at maps and you want someone to tell you about the history of the different buildings, and then you should actually join a walking tour. They really give you a lot of information. Some people are just too lazy to read up about the information. I've been on this tour for 2 hours now, and now I know a little bit about the history of Madrid. For example, Madrid became the capital in 1561. There were 5 kings when Spain ruled the world. And Madrid is the European Union's second largest city after Berlin. But what about the cons? Well, when I was in Portugal, I tried to join one tour and they cancelled it at the last moment just because they didn't have enough people. And also, today, this is the second tour I joined because the first one was also cancelled. Oh, there's also a risk too, because when you join these tours, sometimes you may not be able to find the guide. That happened to me in Portugal. The problem with these free walking tours is that you never know where the meeting point will be until you make the booking. What if you make the booking and then you find out that the meeting point is too far away? Well, then you'll have to cancel it straight away. And what if you make the booking and it's all confirmed, and then you go to the meeting point, but then on the way they decide to cancel it? Well, in this case, you need to have a SIM card so that you can read messages whilst you're on the bus or on the metro. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.